Hello guys and welcome back. So today we are going to unbox the 1/36 scale diecast model of the Audi Q7 V12 by RMZ Cities, and I bought this model from a gift center. So this is the model itself, and as you can see this one comes in a matte black color. So yes, it looks really nice and very realistic, and the paint finish is really smooth and nice. Now talking about the exterior detailing, yes, the exterior detailing is really nice. It looks quite realistic, and only two doors are openable on this model, which is okay, and the interior detailing is really nice. So yes, a big thumbs up to the detailing of the model. The quality of the model is really nice. The fit finish is really good. And if you have yet not followed me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's get back to the video. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.